Hello everybody, welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience and get your dream job. In this video, I have come with preparation strategy for NICL AO Legal exam. I'm also going to share a live class plan with you. The new batch for NICL Legal online course is starting from 8th of Jan. If you're interested, enroll before that and start your preparation with us. Quickly, we'll go through the important aspects of this notification. You can fill the form from 2nd of Jan to 22nd of Jan. The exam date is not announced, but probably the exam will be somewhere in February end. There are 20 posts in the legal stream. You should have a graduate or postgraduate in law with 60% marks. Your age should be between 21 to 30 years. There are 3 phases in the exam: prelims, mains and interview. Prelims is objective, it's only qualifying. English, quantitative aptitude and reasoning are the 3 subjects, QRE. These are the number of questions and marks of each section. Each section is of 20 minutes. Sectional cutoff and overall cutoff both are present in this exam. Then you have means. The marks of means will be used for shortlisting the candidates for interview and also for calculating the final merit list. Here you have 6 subjects: reasoning, English, general awareness, computer, quantitative and law. The total paper is of 250 marks. These are the number of questions in each paper and this is the time for each section. Sectional cutoff is present. Also in means you have descriptive test which is only qualifying. It is of 30 marks, 30 minutes paper. You will have one essay, précis and comprehension in this descriptive test. Then you have interview. Now if you see over here, your reasoning, English and quantitative aptitude is common for both prelims and mains. So you should definitely do one thing. Your focus right now up to your prelims should be to complete your English, reasoning and quantitative aptitude thoroughly, and you should also plan to cover few of the topics of legal, computer and general awareness for means. Keeping this in mind, your study plan, your class schedule has been created. This is your NICL AO Legal study plan and live class plan. Here if you see, you will see the exam pattern, you will see the probable dates. This study plan requires a time commitment of 7 to 8 hours on a daily basis. However, this may vary based on your preparation level, based on how much you are scoring in the mock test. Every day, I am hoping you will spend time on GA, around 1.5 hours on GA. Around 3 to 4 hours, in fact a little bit more, will go to English, quant and reasoning. Pick one subject every day. You can do reasoning today, complete that topic. If it is taking more time, extend it to 2 days and then on the 3rd day pick up another topic of quant or English. Understand the topic, practice the topic and then move to the next chapter. You can also pick up computer subject and you can study it for 1 hour on alternates and study law for 2 hours on a daily basis. Monday to Saturday do this. Sunday should be revision day for you. Whatever you have studied from Monday to Saturday, revise that on Sunday. After 2 weeks, start attempting mock test. Here, this is the study plan which you can follow if you are self-studying. In week 1, complete shortcut tricks of quant. In reasoning, complete blood relations and inequality and start practicing puzzles, easy level puzzles. In English, go for rules of grammar and error detection. Then for GA, go through Union Budget, Economic Survey videos and PDF. In computer, you can go through these topics and start Companies Act in the legal part. So if you're self-studying, you can use this study plan. Below the study plan, you will find the live class schedule. In the live class schedule, you will see in January and February, we have planned to cover QRE completely, few topics of your general awareness, few topics of your computer and few topics of law. In law, we will be covering civil laws, which includes CPC, Limitation Act, Arbitration Conciliation Act, Transfer of Property Act, insurance laws, which has 4 laws: Insurance Act, IRDA, General Insurance Nationalization Act and Motor Vehicle Act, and also law of contract, which includes Contract Act, Specific Relief Act. So these are the topics that we are covering in January and February. We are finishing the classes till 15th of Feb because your exam is expected after that, probably in the last week of February. So by that time, we'll be able to cover up majority of the topics, and after that, for a week or 10 days that you have in your hand, you can continue on your prelims practice, prelims revision and attempting mock test. If you'll see this class plan, there are around 3 to 4 classes every day. Because you have a short span of time in hand, you have even less than 2 months before prelims and a lot of subjects in the mains. Therefore, you will really have to put in that time And if you have already appeared for NICL exam, UIIC law exam, then a lot many topics of yours are already prepared and you can just focus on your revision and practice. If you want to have a closer look, if you want to understand closely the study plan that is given in this, the class schedule that is mentioned in this PDF, you can download this from the description below. Even if you plan not to join the course and prepare through self-study, you can use this study plan on a weekly basis to complete your topics, to complete your preparation. After 2 weeks, every weekend start attempting prelims mock test. The means mock test can be attempted after the prelims exam. If you have any queries, any doubts, I am conducting a free workshop tomorrow, 5th of Jan at 7 p.m. where we will be discussing everything related to NICL AO legal exam. Also, at the same time, in this workshop, we will be discussing how you can prepare for NICL AO and GIC legal at the same time. GIC legal does not have professional knowledge part, but there is quant, reasoning, English, GE and descriptive English, which is also present in NICL AO. So in this workshop, apart from taking up queries related to NICL AO, we will also have a discussion on how you can prepare for both these exams together, what strategies you can use. If you want to join this workshop, register through the link that is present in the description below. I'm again saying the study plan and the class schedule is also present in the description. You can download that from there. We at iExamB help you prepare 50% faster with crisp and concise content. Subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.